Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you the review of SafePal Wallet app. So over here SafePal has good features but not risk-free. It supports a very large number of cryptocurrency NFTs and many blockchains. Non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys and recovery pace. It also includes built-in features such as token swap, staking, DeFi, and the apps. And if you understand crypto wallet security and carefully protect your recovery phrase, and if you're new to crypto or plan to store a large amount of funds using only the app for significant holdings, pairings the app with a hardware wallet generally provides stronger protection. And before using SafePal, download the app only from the official app stores. Never share your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. And if you want to log your SafePal, you can also go to this icon here, that is a setting. From here, click onto this lock, and the wallet is logged now. In order to unlock it, you need to type down your password again and select unlock. And you also need to double check wallet addresses before sending crypto. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this review was helpful.